Hey tech volunteers, I'm going to show you just real quick in this video how to set up the computer for Sunday mornings and make sure everything is running smoothly, both with our ProPresenter 6 set up on dual computers as well as our live stream. So thanks for tuning in. Alright guys, so when you are in ProPresenter on the Mac, you'll see your playlists down here to the bottom left. You'll look at the 8:30 and the 10 a.m. playlist, and you'll take the 8:30 playlist. When you have it selected, after you've made everything here, and go up to File and Export Playlist. So we're going to take these playlists and we're going to put them on a flash drive, and then literally just take that flash drive, plug it into the second computer, and use that for Sunday morning. So you can leave it named the same thing. You'll click save. Now I already did this, so in this case I'm replacing it, but normally it would be saved. So once that is done for both the 8:30 and the 10 a.m. playlist, you can just minimize this with this little yellow button right here. Right click on your USB flash drive and eject it. Alright, so once you have plugged in the USB into the new computer, it'll pop up like this. We're going to select the two files that we want to bring onto the computer. You can just drop it onto the desktop. Again, I've already done this, so it's going to say replace for me, but it should just drag them on for you. Once you've done that, you no longer need to have that USB thumb drive plugged in, so you can eject it. And now we'll go to ProPresenter, and I've already done this for these two actually, but on ProPresenter you'll go to File and Import File, and now you'll simply go to the desktop, select the one that you want, you press Open, and now it'll give you this, it'll bring up this dialog box. What you want to do is press Apply All and Write Over, so we're starting completely fresh with this playlist. Now you'll do that again for the 10 o'clock playlist. Import file, go to the 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. playlist, press open. And now apply all, and we want to write over everything so it's brand new. Okay, and it should do that pretty quickly unless you have some big videos or pictures. Sometimes that'll take a little bit longer. So again, because I already did that, we can erase the old ones here by clicking on them and pressing Control Delete. And now we look at our 8:30 playlist, and basically what we want to go down through is go down through, and anything that's not a song can be just a simple black screen. So it doesn't need anything fancy, because it's the only purpose that it serves is that of showing lyrics on the live stream. So basically I'm just gonna count that there's 16 slides here, and I'm basically just going to add 16 new slides. Okay, so now I have blank slides there, my welcome video. If there is a video or anything there, you can simply just right click on it and remove cues. I don't have that option right now. Once I get to the lyrics here, I'm going to select the song. I'm going to press Control A to select all the slides, and then go up to Template, and I'm going to change the template on these slides so it keeps the lyrics, but it changes the template to this DSK sermon. I could name it something better. DSK stands for downstream key, and that's how we use it within the video system here. So anyways, I'll do that for all of my songs. Select all the slides. You can also right click and go to template. That's the same as that. Go to downstream key, and they should all go to lower thirds of the slide there. Same thing with Lord's Prayer. Template, downstream key. All right, and you should just have, you can just put a sermon placeholder. If that is not in the playlist, you can always search for it here in the library and go sermon placeholder and simply click it and then drag it in where you would like it. Now we don't actually need the sermon slides again on this secondary computer, and so a sermon placeholder will do. Again, our final song, that one already has been switched over, but again, you select both, Control All to select all the slides there. You'll go to Template and then Downstream Key and change that. Now, finally, our last service loop, again, we don't need anything, so we can simply just add 6 more slides and get rid of the first 6, sorry. Now, you'll do the same thing for the 10 a.m. service, so get rid of everything that you don't need, such as that and that. The loop is the same loop as we have at the 8:30 service, so we've already done the work for this loop. Now we go to Glorious Day, Control A, Template, Downstream Key. We'll go to the next song, Control A, Template, Downstream Key. We'll go to the Lord's Prayer. Again, that's the same as the 8:30 service Lord's Prayer, so we don't have to do anything with that. Go to our final song here, Control A, Downstream Key. Now, one thing that you've probably noticed that we've been doing is I have not been putting more than 2 or 3 lines at the most per slide, and that's intentional because at home you want the primary thing that you see on the screen is to be the picture. You don't want lyrics to be halfway up the screen, and so you want to keep the central thing central there. So you have the lyrics with only 2 or 3 at the most lines on the very bottom. All right, and so we are done here with ProPresenter. So the final thing to check with the ProPresenter side of it is to make sure that this Mac computer is sending signals to this computer. So with both ProPresenters open on the Mac, let's screen record this. On the Mac here, you're going to go to ProPresenter and then go to Preferences, and then go to the Network option here at the top. And then here where it says Slave, we want to change that to Master. Now when you do that, it will automatically find the other PC, which is right beside us here. And now it is connected. So now it will show everything that you click over here. So it will go to the first playlist, the first item of the first playlist, and you'll see over here that it already switched over. And as I'm clicking through the playlist now, you'll be able to see that it follows. So click to the first song, I'm in the first song, I'm going through each one, and if you're doing that, you're good to go. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Really appreciate the time and energy that you put into making Sunday mornings awesome here at Trinity. Pray that God blesses you through this, and that you just continue to bless you as you invest in our church, for our people, and for the Lord. Thanks so much.